Alright,
I'm promoting this stone box.
yeah,
It was designed by me,
yeah,
created by me.
yeah.
The inside consists of 3 stone. The 3 stone now are 3 different grade.
Mm-hmm.
First grade bone benders, second grade electrical benders, third grade water benders.
So it is prevention or whatsoever. Why not? But so it's a young girl, so people.
The stone them basically offer protection. Protection the stone them offer. You see, it's kind of new right now. I'm not sure. So one of the stone.
Protection.
Yeah. One of the stone. There's another stone also. Yeah, next stone.
So it is cotton where the people them can find it to get protection. But they want
No, you can't find me on the map.
yeah.
What more man? But see, basically make the stone box.
Yeah.
You have to get material. That's
Yeah.
all.
It's a good punani we can print pan hood. And we can sit down pan hood. And we have the dignity to grab up man with and print, sir. And that man no want no pum pum we slap out like elastic. Then want pum pum we can grab and print, sir.
Prints,
and
no?
me lad. Well, you want to put this back to print.
Oh,
Watch this.
oh.
Go on.
Pinch up here.
Ingat Jamaica na, mal, please.